Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to log on to two different websites. We're going to get onto Dreambox and we're going to get onto Myon. Now, some of you already know how to do this, but just in case, this is just going to be a refresher. Okay? So, all of you know how to get to your student startup page. Now, your student startup page, that shows really good websites that we're going to use throughout the year. Okay, first we're going to try to get on Myon. So now, if I say Myon, I'm going to look to see which one of these tabs is Myon. And I see it right here, Myon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click it. Now, when I click Myon, it can do one of two things. It can either bring me to this page, my NC Ed Cloud page, or it will bring me directly to the website. If I'm already on Myon, go ahead and start reading. If not, I'm going to show you what you're going to do. It's going to ask for your username, and you're just going to type in your number. Okay? Then you're going to type in your password. If you notice, Miss Juan had already had hers saved. This is where I think some people are having a hard time logging in. If your password is not working and it says authentication failed, I want you to try this password. Capital E, Eagles 2029. Okay? That's what I want you to type right in this password. If it's saying it's not working for your NC Ed Cloud, try this. After I typed it in, I should hit go. And now it brings us to this completely other website. Now, this is going to look a little different because Ms. Wallen's a teacher and you're a student. However, you and me both have this lovely blue square with a C in it. And this is our Clever account. Now, our Clever account, we're going to click it. And because you're so clever. Now, your screen should look something like this. It says student and teacher login with NC Ed Cloud or school admin login. We're going to click the student and teacher. Okay. So now your screen should look something like this. Now remember, my whole goal was I had to get on Myon. Okay, so I'm still going to be looking for that Myon tab. And now I'm just going to click, I'm going to click Myon. And finally, here I am. Okay, now I can see how many minutes you have been reading on Myon. I can see how many books you've read, what books you're reading. So I can see if you spent 20 minutes on Myon. Now, I have a couple tabs up here. This news tab shows me all different current events or events that are happening right now. That might be really, really cool. This one talks about Hurricane Laura. Now, if I go here to library, I can search for books. And let's say I want to read a book about, let's just say ghosts. Let's say I'm in a spooky mood. I can type in ghosts, and now it shows me all of the different books about ghosts. Pretty cool. So let's go to, let's do Ghosts of the White House. What in the world? So when I put my cursor over the book, it shows me 1, 2, 3. It shows me 3 different things. Well, the first one says read, and if I click that, it brings me directly to the book where I can read. This one is called info, and what that info does, it gives me more information about the book. So let's click it. This gives me a little overview, and it says, it's like the summary, like on the back of a book. It gives you what my book is all about. So, did you know that the White House was haunted? Read this book and discover the many ghosts that people say live in the White House. Pretty spooky. I can see the rating right here. Looks like it's about 4.5 stars. Pretty good rating. But this is what I really want you to look at. Right here, it says the grade levels. Okay? This is about a 4th to 6th grade level. Now, I don't ever want to pick a book that's too hard. I want to pick a book that's just right. Another thing, this one says audio time, which means the book's going to be read out loud to you. I do not want those books being read aloud to you. I want you to read the books. You're not going to get any better at reading if you don't practice your reading. Well, this is the book that Miss Wallen is going to start reading. So you have to come. I can't wait to hear about all of the books that you read. Bye.